Late this afternoon. Weather bulletin. Weather message. For the following county, Belmont County, Ohio, and Marshall County, West Virginia, the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Belmont County and east central Ohio, northwestern Marshall County and northern West Virginia until 1:15 p.m. At 12:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Allegheny and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Allegheny, Shady Side. This is a dangerous storm. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.